Hey guys, I'm Isfan Rashid from RashidReviews.com. I hope you're all doing well. And today I'm going to review a new product which has just been released today called the 60-Second AI Money Machine. Okay, it's created by Glenn Kosky and it claims to have everything done for you within 60 seconds flat. Okay, that might be slight exaggeration. It may take a bit longer than that. But it will do everything 100% for you. Basically what it's going to do is create your squeeze pages, it'll create your lead pages, your lead magnets, it'll create products for you, there'll be a slight autoresponder there, all training will be done for you, it'll add your affiliate links in there, it's going to give you products to promote, it's got some traffic training in there, but I'll have more on traffic within my bonus which you're going to be seeing. And this is it here. I'm not going to put this video down, a lot of people are just showing this video, but if you want to see this video, there'll be links down below which will take you to the sales page. I'll show you how to get there. Watch this video in your own time. It's going to cost $17, which is fairly cheap for what you're getting. It is a software, so everything is going to be kind of sorted for you, just got to go through it. And you can go through this page in your own time. It is a big page. Yeah, it goes really long. That's up to you if you want to go through this page. But basically, it's going to create everything for you. It's going to show you how to make money online using the power of GPT. That's the AI which it's going to use. And that's going to create and have everything done for you. So all review accesses, all things that you need for affiliate marketing is going to be shown within this. And what I want to talk about is my bonuses. But before I go to my bonus, I want to show you this here. There'll be a links down below, and one of the links will be to this. This is an opt-in form. And basically I created an affiliate marketing course which I was going to sell. It's going to teach you how to make your first $1,000 online, but I decided to give this away for free. Okay, all you're going to have to do is enter your email and your name there and get this course for free. The course will be sent straight to your inbox there, so make sure it's the correct email which you send there. And again, it's about affiliate marketing, but it is on a beginner's level. Okay, so I think the advanced level which I'm going to create, I'm going to have to pay for that one, but you're going to get this beginner's level for free right now. I'm just going to teach you how to collect, find products to promote, how to apply for your affiliate links, how to get review access, create and deliver your bonuses. I'm going to show you how to make review videos, and as a bonus I'm going to show you how to create a website as well. Okay, from scratch I'm going to create a website for you. In order to get this, the link will be down below. Just enter your name and email and it'll be going straight to your inbox once all that's done. And now we'll get to my bonuses. If you decide to buy 60-second AI money machines, one of the links down below, you'll come to a page that looks similar to this. This video will be up here somewhere, and I'll show you this bonus first. Again, it'll be about affiliate marketing, but this is created by a 7-figure marketer. Okay, and it's going to specialize in using the Warrior Plus platform and the JVZoo platform. The next one is Bing Traffic. I decided to throw this traffic system in there as well. It doesn't talk about Bing in this training, so I put this one in there, and you're also going to get complete master resale rights with this. Okay, so you can sell this as your own product if you wish. If you're into copying other people's website, that's this one here. It's a software. What it does is it allows you to copy other people's website and edit them as you wish. I've got some ClickBank training here. This is all the hidden secrets revealed within this. It's all about ClickBank. Facebook traffic. This is going to be using free strategy to use Facebook to drive traffic to your offers. Okay, there's no paid ads involved in this. It's 100% free traffic using the Facebook, which is the biggest platform out there. If you want an autoresponder, I've got a free autoresponder here. Once you set this up, it's a technical system, so there's no monthly fees with this. Once you set this up, it'll all be free. You can send unlimited emails, have unlimited subscribers on this. Okay, and you also get resale rights with this, so you can sell this on your own platform if you wish. And here I've decided to throw this in. It's my very own launch jacking course. Okay, so if you want to learn about launch jacking, this is how I do it. And in order to get these, just press this button here on this page. That'll take you to the actual sales page which I was just showing you, similar to this, which I showed you. You can watch this video in your own time. It's only $17. You can purchase it by clicking any of these links there. Okay, there are some upsells which I'm not going to speak about them. I think there's about 5-6 upsells. Go through them in your own time if it's something that you might think you find helpful, because I think there's another done for you system there, and then there's also a resale rights there, so you're going to be able to sell it. So that'll be up to you if you're interested in doing something like that. Okay, I think I've covered everything here. This is a limited time as well only, so I think you got to get this within I'm going to put a timer on there, so you'll have to purchase this within 3-4 days. Okay, once that timer runs out, I'm going to take these bonuses away. Okay, so it's best to get in on this early as you can. And that's me, Isfan Rashid. I think I've said everything that wants to be said about this. Yeah, and I'll speak to you next time.